As the mango season is here, we have uploaded summer special mango recipes in our channel as in Mango Delight series. Today we are including mango sandesh or aam sandesh into this. Sandesh or sweet is very popular in Indian culture. It plays a vital role in every Indian occasion such as any festivals, wedding ceremony, birthday parties, etc. For every Indians, festivals and ceremony is incomplete without the sweet or sandesh. Mango sandesh is an iconic recipe of summer which is immensely popular in India. It is a summer special dessert recipe prepared with fresh ripe mangoes, Indian cottage cheese or chana and sugar. Let's check out the recipe and make it in any festive season and make your day more special. For this recipe, we have taken one ripe mango and we have taken some mango pulp from half of it and some mango puree from remaining half of it. First, we will make the chana. Chana is the main ingredient for any sandesh. For this, we have taken 500 ml of full fat cow milk. We will boil the milk first. Remember, always use fresh milk for making any desserts. When the milk starts boiling, we are squeezing 2 lemons into this. Keep stirring and you will see the milk is getting curdled. When you can see the greenish water, pour the curdled milk into a bowl lined with a thin cotton cloth and strain it well. You can also use cheesecloth as well. Rinse the chana in water very well. This is how you can get rid of the tangy taste and smell for the lime juice. When you are done adding all the curdled milk, then bring the edges of the cotton cloth together and gently squeeze out the remaining water from it. Hang it for 30 minutes like this so that if there is any excess water remains in the chana, it will be drained out easily. Later, remove the chana from the cloth and use it accordingly to make sweets or any other dishes. Now, for the mango sandesh, we will use the entire amount of the chana. Smash it very well and make a smooth dough. We are adding 4 tablespoons of powdered sugar into this and smash it all together very well. Add sugar as per your taste. As the mangoes are very sweetened, so adjust the sugar accordingly. We are adding 2 tablespoons of mango puree into this and smash it again properly. Smash it until it becomes smooth and soft dough. It is done now. You can see the dough became so soft and smooth. We will put some of the dough inside a bowl. You can use any mold instead of this bowl as well. We are just flattening it inside the bowl. And then we are putting some mango pulp on this. Garnish it with some chopped almonds on it. We have also tried some different method to give it another look. Here we have taken a chana dough on a plate. Flatten it, put some mango pulp on it and then put another flattened chana dough on this and give it a sandwich look like this. Put this in another bowl or mold too. Grate some cashew nuts and sprinkle it on the top of the sandesh and some chopped almonds too. Now put this sandesh in refrigerator for at least an hour to set it properly. After an hour, your mango sandesh will be ready in 2 different shapes. It can be a great option as a dessert for any parties or ceremonies, especially during festivals. Do try this easy mango sandesh recipe at home and do let us know by comments below. Subscribe to Cooking Pass and click the bell icon to get more such easy mango dessert recipes from our kitchen.